which substance would diffuse most quickly? Alright, now we got to compare carbon dioxide and neon. So carbon dioxide at 0 degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide 25, neon at 0, or neon at 25 degrees Celsius. First of all, let's understand how carbon dioxide, so this is carbon dioxide having the formula as CO2, and this is the neon gas, which is an inert gas having its molecule with just single atom, right? So this is neon, this is carbon, this is oxygen. So carbon dioxide molecule looks like CO2, and neon is just one atom of neon. Now, the difference between their molecular structure is the carbon dioxide got a combined molecular mass, or molecular mass of it is around 44, right? And for neon, it's 20, right? So it's clear that neon is much lighter than carbon dioxide molecule. But to visualize what will happen or which will diffuse most quickly, I've got a very cool simulation to show you. So let's see this, and let's have some particles. Let's say these are blue particles are neon particles, and we got some same amount of carbon dioxide particles, but since carbon dioxide are heavy, so I'm making them more massive. Yeah, making them more massive, and they are at the same temperature. Now they are at the same temperature. Let's see which will diffuse faster. So yeah, heavier, more number of blue particles. See, blue particles are moving quickly. Why? Because they are lighter, right? So neon are lighter. So we can say that neon atom is lighter and carbon dioxide molecule is heavier, so it will take more time to navigate while diffusing. Okay, so temperature is like a booster. More temperature means more energy to navigate, or more velocity. All right, so carbon dioxide 0 degrees Celsius, so we need to figure out most quickly. All right, so carbon dioxide 0 degrees Celsius, let's see another option, carbon dioxide at 25 degrees Celsius, or neon at 0 degrees Celsius, neon at 25 degrees. So we need the lightest and the highest temperature. All right, so neon is the lightest, and neon at 25 degrees Celsius, like having a lighter atom and having more energy. We have given more energy to it, so it will quickly diffuse. All right, so correct option is option D.